morning, students. Last class we discussed about short-term cost curves. There we have discussed the 7 concepts in a short-term cost and the shapes of a short-term cost curve. Today's topic is a long-term cost curve. So we know the meaning of short-term and a long-term. So in a production, short-term is a one-time period, long-run is a one-time period. If we change all the factors of production, it's called as a long run. If we have a certain fixed factor in a production, it's called as a short run. In a short run, we have a fixed factors and variable factors. But in a long run, there is no fixed factor. All the factors are varied. In order to vary the production. And this is the basic meaning of our short run and a long run. Now we are studying the cost. Cost is also a part of our production. So here we have studied the short run cost and the different short run cost concepts. So now we have to study the long run cost concept. In the short run cost, there are 7 short-term cost concept. There are 7 short-term concepts. But when it comes to the long run, cost concept, we don't have a 7. Just we have only 2 short-term concepts. Here we mainly study the only 2 cost-term concepts. First one is long run average cost. First, then second one, long run marginal cost. You may have doubts. In a short run, we have 7 cost concept. Why we have only 2 here? So if you see the short run cost concept, we have a fixed factor and variable factor. The cost occurs for a fixed inputs. Cost occurs for a fixed factor or called as a fixed cost. Cost occurs for a variable factor is called as a variable cost. When we add the both, we will get a total cost. Understand? There we have a fixed cost factors, fixed inputs. What amount we are spending on fixed inputs is called a fixed cost. What amount we are spending on a total variable factor or variable input, it's called a total variable cost. When we add the both, we will get a total cost. In the long run, there is no fixed factor. Means that no fixed cost. There is no fixed factor. That means there is no fixed cost. And there are the factors are varied. Means we have a variable cost, and here the variable cost is equal to the total cost. Here the TFC equals to TC. That's why we are just taking the total cost. Here we have a fixed factor. Amount we are spending on fixed input, we call it as a total fixed cost. Amount we are spending on a variable factor is a total variable cost. When we add both, we get a total cost. Here we have 3 concepts. But when it comes to the long run, there is no fixed factor. Means there is no existence of a total fixed cost. All the factor varied, thus the TYC is there, and TVC is equal to TC. That's why we are just taking the total cost here. Same with the average cost. When it comes to the short term, we have average fixed cost, average variable cost, and short term average cost. We have 3 different type of average costs here. But when it comes to the long run, just we have a long run average cost. When there is no TFC, there is no chance to get a average fixed cost. And your ABC and long run average cost both are the same. That's why just we are taking a long run average cost and long run marginal cost. So in the first class, we will just discuss about these 2 concepts. What is the long run average cost and how we are finding, and long run marginal cost, how we are finding. What is the meaning of it and what is the formula of it. So now we have to see the meaning of a long run average cost, and usually we write these in the short forms. LRAC represents the long run average cost. LRLC represents the long run marginal cost. Now we have to see the meaning of it. So what is that? When we are taking average, it shows the per unit. So cost per unit is called as a long run average cost. Amount you are spending for 1 unit of output is called as the average cost. Let's take an example. Suppose you have produced your cost of production is 50 rupees. Your cost of production is 50 rupees, and then you have produced 5 units of a commodity. So the cost you spend to produce the 5 units of the commodity is 50. So if you divide the both, we will get an amount we spent on the production of one commodity. 5 ones are 5 times are. To produce the one commodity in 5 commodities, you have spent 10 rupees. Understood? Your cost of production to produce these 5 commodities, you spend 50 rupees. So your 50 rupees is your cost of production, and you have produced the 5 units of the commodity. When we divide the both, we will get a 10. 10 is the amount you spend to produce one commodity. So here the formula to find out the long run average cost is total cost divided by Q. You can take any example here. For suppose you have spent your total cost is 200. Let's take it as 200. You have spent 200 for a production, and then you have produced 10 units of a commodity. So here the long run average cost is 20. To produce the 1 unit of output, you are spending 20 rupees. So here I give the meaning cost per unit. To produce the 1 unit of commodity, how much cost you have bear for it. So the next one is long run marginal cost. So when we have the word marginal, it's always related to the additional unit. Word marginal shows the additional unit. To produce the additional unit, how much cost you are spending. That is the meaning of long run marginal cost. To produce an extra unit of a commodity, how much cost you are spending. Or we can have another meaning, change in a total cost per unit change in output. It is another meaning, change in a total cost per unit change in output. Understand? Change in a total cost per unit change in output. So formula for this is change in a total cost, or delta TC divided by delta Q. Delta TC divided by delta Q. It is a formula for a long run marginal cost. And we have also another formula here. Total cost at Q1 unit minus total cost at Q1 minus 1 unit. Q1 minus 1 unit. Let's take an example. First, suppose you are producing the 4 units of the commodity, and you have spent 50 rupees there. So your cost of expenditure is 50, and you are producing the 4 commodities. And now to produce the 5 commodities, you have spent 60 rupees. So when you are producing the 5 commodity, you have spent 60 rupees. Your cost of production is 60. Now we have to find out what is the cost you spent for a 5th one. This is the cost of 4 commodities, and this is the cost of 5 commodities. Now we want to know the cost of 5th commodity. To produce that extra 5th commodity, how much cost we have paid an extra. Here the change in our total cost. So here when we produce the 5 commodities, the cost is 60. 60 minus 50. Here 5 minus how much quantity we have changed? 1 commodity. 1 quantity. 5 minus 4. So 60 minus 50, 10. 5 minus 1, 1. So 1 1 is 1 tens are 10. So we are spending 10 rupees to produce the fifth unit of a commodity. It shows the marginal cost of a fifth commodity in a firm. So we can find it by this, using this one also. Let's take it as a Q1 and this is a Q1 minus 1. So Q1, to produce the Q1 amount of output, we have spent at 60. So here 60 minus total cost at a Q1 minus 1. So Q1 is representing a 5 and Q1 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is a 4. When you are producing the 4 units of a commodity, cost is a 50. So marginal cost of a Q1 output. Here we can write 5 also. Marginal cost of a fifth commodity is a 10. This is the long run marginal cost. I hope I clear this concept. In the long run, all the factors are varied, and here we have two cost concepts. First one is the long run average cost. Long run average cost is the cost per unit output. How much cost we are spending to produce the 1 unit of a commodity. The formula is total cost divided by Q. Next one is the long run marginal cost. Here we have a formula. This is the change in the total cost per unit change in output. So formula is change in delta TQ divided by delta Q. Or we can take another formula, total cost at Q1 output minus total cost at Q1 minus 1 unit. So if you use any formula, we will get a same here. So this is the cost. So if you look at it, long run cost ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿ ವೆಚ್ಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅಂಶ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿಯ ಸರಾಸರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ, ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿಯ ಸರಾಸರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿಯ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಎರಡು ವೆಚ್ಚ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಥಿರ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಥಿರ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಾಗ ಕೇವಲ ಬದಲಾಗುವ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬದಲಾಗುವ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ವೆಚ್ಚ, ಬದಲಾಗುವ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ವೆಚ್ಚ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಮನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇವಲ ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟು ವೆಚ್ಚ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಆವರೇಜ್ ಸರಾಸರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚದಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಸ್ಥಿರ ಸರಾಸರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ, ಬದಲಾಗುವ ಸರಾಸರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ, ಒಟ್ಟು ಸರಾಸರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಸ್ಥಿರ ಸರಾಸರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕೇವಲ ಸ್ಥಿರ ಬದಲಾಗುವ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಥಿರ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೇವಲ ಸರಾಸರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಲಾಂಗ್ ರನ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿ ಸರಾಸರಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. ಸೊ ಒಟ್ಟು ವೆಚ್ಚ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 5 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಗೆ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಭಾಷೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 50 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 5 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೆ ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿಯ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ವೆಚ್ಚ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೆಚ್ಚ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕು, ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಟಿಸಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು 4 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 5 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ 5ನೇ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಚೇಂಜಿನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 5ನೇ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. 4 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 60 ಮೈನಸ್ 5. ನಾವು ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಾದಂತಹ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು 4 ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 5 ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಕಳೆದಾಗ 60 ಮೈನಸ್ 50 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಬಂತು. 5 ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಬಂತು. 10 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಅಂತ. 5ನೇ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿಯ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಷಯ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ರನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ we are going to discuss about